Ever wonder why Bengaluru, formerly known as Bangalore, is often referred to as the Silicon Valley of India? Well, let's take a journey together to this vibrant city, a place that's a perfect blend of the old and the new, the traditional and the modern. Bengaluru, the capital of the southern Indian state of Karnataka, is a city of contrasts. It's a city that has managed to preserve its cultural heritage while also embracing the waves of technological advancements. The charm of this city lies in its ability to balance its rich history with its rapid modernization. Now let's delve into why Bengaluru is often dubbed the Silicon Valley of India. This city is a major IT hub, home to some of the biggest multinational companies in the world. It's a breeding ground for innovation and has been the birthplace of numerous startups that have made their mark globally. Bengaluru's technological prowess is not just limited to IT, it's also a major player in the aerospace and defense sectors. But it's not just about the tech giants and startups. Bengaluru is also known for its lush green spaces, earning it another nickname, the Garden City of India. Amidst the concrete jungle, you'll find parks and gardens that offer a breath of fresh air, literally and metaphorically. It's a city that thrives amidst chaos and calm, a city that's constantly evolving yet deeply rooted in its traditions. And speaking of traditions, Bengaluru's cultural heritage is as diverse as its landscape. It's a melting pot of various cultures, languages and cuisines. The city's historical monuments, bustling markets and colorful festivals are a testament to its rich cultural tapestry. So, there you have it, a glimpse of Bengaluru, a city that's as multifaceted as a diamond, reflecting different shades under different lights. A city that's a testament to India's growth story, a city that's a confluence of the past, present and the future. Despite its modern facade, Bengaluru has a history that goes back centuries, which we will explore next. Bengaluru's history dates back to the 16th century. Can you imagine the transformation it has undergone since then? The tale of Bengaluru's birth is not merely one of dates and events, it's a rich tapestry woven through centuries. Our story begins with the visionary chieftain Kempegowda under the auspices of the Vijayanagara Empire. Kempegowda, who was known for his administrative acumen and visionary plans, is widely regarded as the founder of Bengaluru. In the mid-1500 ES, he established a well-planned city with markets, tanks and temples. But the city didn't stop evolving there. Bengaluru's growth story is marked by the influence of various rulers who left an indelible mark on its landscape. The Mysore Wodeyars, for instance, were instrumental in shaping the city's architecture and infrastructure. They built ornate palaces, beautiful gardens, and wide tree-lined avenues that are characteristic of Bengaluru even today. The city's destiny took a dramatic turn under the rule of Hyder Ali and his son, Tipu Sultan. Known as the Tiger of Mysore, Tipu Sultan was a pioneering force who introduced several administrative innovations. During his reign, Bengaluru transformed into a major military and economic hub. The baton of change was then passed to the British in the early 19th century. They recognized Bengaluru's strategic location and favorable climate and transformed it into the cantonment, a military and administrative base. The British era saw the introduction of Western-style buildings, schools and railways, which further stimulated the city's growth. Bengaluru's journey from a modest settlement to a bustling city was not a straight path, but rather a winding road filled with ups and downs, twists and turns. Each ruler, each era, brought about changes that have collectively shaped the city we see today. So when you walk down the avenues of Bengaluru, remember that every stone, every building, every tree has a story of transformation, of evolution, of resilience, a story that has been centuries in the making. From a small settlement in the 16th century, Bengaluru has grown into one of India's largest and most important cities. Did you know Bengaluru has played a significant role in India's political scene? As the capital of Karnataka, Bengaluru has long been a hotbed of political activities, and it has witnessed some of the most defining moments in the country's political history. This city, known for its vibrant tech scene and lush green spaces, has also been the epicenter of major political events. From the Raj Bhavan, the official residence of the governor, to Vidhana Soudha, the seat of the state legislature, Bengaluru's architectural landscapes are steeped in political significance. Bengaluru has been instrumental in shaping several political ideologies and movements. The city has seen the rise and fall of political leaders, the birth of policies, and the unfolding of political dramas that have in no small measure influenced the direction of the entire nation. Bengaluru continues to be a political hub, influencing policies and decisions that impact the entire nation. What makes Bengaluru truly unique is its vibrant cultural scene. But what exactly does this entail? Let's explore. In the heart of South India lies a cultural melting pot that is Bengaluru. This city is a symphony of cultures, a harmony of different languages, and a tapestry of varied traditions. From the native Kannadigas to the migratory populace from different corners of the country and the globe, Bengaluru is a city that welcomes all with open arms, making it a true cultural mosaic. The city's cultural richness is also reflected in its thriving arts scene. Bengaluru is home to a bustling music industry, from classical Carnatic tunes that echo in the city's temples and auditoriums to the pulsating beats of contemporary rock and electronic music in its trendy nightclubs and music festivals. Bengaluru's soundscape is as diverse as it gets. But the city's cultural vibrancy doesn't stop at music. The theatre scene in Bengaluru is equally thriving. The city is dotted with many theatres where one can witness a range of performances, from traditional Yakshagana and Kodava plays to modern dramatic pieces and experimental theatre. These stages offer a glimpse into the city's creative soul, unifying the old with the new, the traditional with the contemporary. Literature too occupies a prominent place in Bengaluru's culture. It's a city of book lovers, with literary festivals attracting renowned authors and poets from around the world. Libraries and book cafes are scattered across Bengaluru, their shelves laden with books in Kannada, English, and various other languages, reflecting the city's linguistic diversity. And let's not forget the food. Bengaluru's cuisine is as diverse as its population. From the local delicacies like Bisibelebath and Rava Idli to global cuisines from Italian to Thai, the city's food landscape is a gastronomic delight, a testament to its cultural amalgamation. Bengaluru's rich and diverse culture sets it apart, making it a city like no other. The city's cultural fabric is a fascinating blend of the traditional and the modern, the local and the global, making Bengaluru a city that is as vibrant as it is diverse. So, what does Bengaluru have in store for a traveler? Well, let's start with the lush greenery that paints the city, earning it the title of Garden City of India. Lal Bagh, a historic garden, stands as a testament to this. This botanical marvel, spanning over 240 acres, houses a myriad of plant species, some of which are over 1,000 years old. It's a perfect oasis of tranquility amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Then there's Cubbon Park, a green patch spreading over 300 acres in the heart of the city. It's not just a park, it's an emblem of Bengaluru's commitment to preserving nature. It's no surprise to see locals and tourists alike seeking refuge from the city life in this urban lung space. From nature to architecture, Bengaluru doesn't disappoint. The Bangalore Palace, a Tudor-style structure, is a splendid fusion of Indian and Western architecture. The palace's grandeur, complete with fortified towers, arches, and a sprawling garden, paints a picture of regal elegance and is a must-see. Bengaluru's spiritual side shines through its temples, and the ISKCON temple is a prime example. This majestic shrine, dedicated to Lord Krishna, is a spiritual haven that attracts devotees and tourists from far and wide. Its serene ambience, combined with the rhythmic chants, transport you to a world of peace and tranquility. But Bengaluru isn't just about serenity and history. It's a city that never sleeps, with a thriving nightlife scene. From lively pubs and clubs to music concerts, there's something for every night owl. And let's not forget the shopping. Whether you're looking for traditional Indian wear, handicrafts, or high-end brands, the city's markets and malls have it all. With so much to offer, it's no wonder Bengaluru is a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. From its historical roots to its modern-day status as a global IT hub, Bengaluru's journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. Today, it stands as a testament to India's technological prowess, housing some of the world's leading IT, software services, and startup companies. Its vibrant tech scene has earned it the title of Silicon Valley of India, a nod to its pivotal role in the digital revolution. But Bengaluru is not just about technology, it's also an educational powerhouse, with a wealth of prestigious universities and research institutions that draw students from across the globe. The city's quality of life is another feather in its cap. With its diverse food scene, thriving arts and culture, and a climate that's pleasant year-round, Bengaluru offers a unique blend of traditional charm and modern convenience. Bengaluru, a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, continues to evolve and grow, making its mark not just in India but globally.